everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be planning out the week of October 17th in my Moxie Life planner. I'm going to be using the most recent Chrissy & Designs $2 Tuesdays. So I am an affiliate and we are sent the $2 Tuesdays by the quarter in advance. So I thought it'd be really cool to show you guys this quarter's theme, like what it will look like. Basically the color scheme will change, but the actual pattern will be the same. So I grabbed quite a few of these sheets for what I think I'm gonna need for the week. Probably not all of these full boxes and things like that, but I'm probably gonna incorporate some check boxes because these are just really, really cool. And they match my Pentel Energel Clena. Okay, so tools that I'm going to be using besides my pen, I'm going to be using the Chrissy & Designs permanent marker. You can find this over on their website. I've grabbed my cloth and paper tweezers because I'm always needing these. And I have my handy dandy slice tool to cut some washi. Love this thing. I still tend to lose it from time to time because it's just very pen-like, if you will. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and at least start with the dates on here so that I don't forget what day of the week we're on. So here's Monday. I really like the colors in this one. I feel like olive green has been like a very popular color this season. It's a beautiful color, but I'm starting to have like a lot of olive green things. Really do love it. Aside from my pen, also my pen pouch is olive green. I'm here for it. Although I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of reminding me of my mom's Tupperware from when I was a kid. I swear she had a theme of canisters that sat on our counter that was like all of these colors right here. Like, no lie. I feel like I can just see them on the kitchen counter like right now. Anyway, about this week, I've got a pretty full week. I don't have a work from home day this week, and I'm kind of sad about it, but I've got some other things that I have to be on site for at work, so those things are as equally as exciting, I should say, maybe. We will see. Okay, so got all these date covers down. Now I need to figure out the positioning for these because the dates are kind of high on the Moxie Life. And I know I just used a Chrissy & Designs kit. Okay, so I used the thinner skinny washi. I think what I did was I stole the Daily Duo washi because it's thinner. Since I'm not using the Daily Duo, I may not necessarily need that. So one of the cool things is that this week's video is going to include the new things from Moxie Life. I'm so freaking excited. So I think our content can go up on the 18th. Not gonna lie, mine might actually still just go up on the 19th. I always feel like it becomes kind of like how can I put this? Like a little bit of a rat race, right? Like when you're given a date that something can go up and it feels like everybody's putting up content at the exact same time. I mean, the planners don't actually go on sale till the 20th, I believe. I gotta like double check my stuff. So I might actually just wait and put mine up on the 19th because that's my regularly scheduled day. My package should be arriving today though, which is very, very cool and very, very exciting. But yeah, I might like share some like sneak peeks on like my stories and stuff, but the actual content might stay on Wednesday. I'll decide. I'm just not sure. I'm kind of like, ugh. I don't like when there's like a lot of pressure, and it's definitely not pressure from the brand, but I always feel like it's very, and I realize that this is like self-imposed pressure, like no one's doing it to me, but still just sharing my thoughts. That's all. So, oh, these colors, you guys, I feel like it's a little bit higher than what I'm used to, but it's gonna be just fine. I feel like this is going to be a sticker heavy week for absolutely no freaking reason, and that's fine too. I like getting very like sticker happy in this planner. I don't know why. I feel like, and that's why I feel like I will always make space for a coil planner in my life because this part of it is what I really like. All right, so bottom washi, kind of went back and forth. Like, do I want to use this one? Do I want to have that one? That's like really, really thick. I don't know if I want to go that route. Let's just stick with this one. Get it stick. Oh my gosh, some of you are going to be like, and I'm out. That's just too cheesy. It's okay. It's okay. All right, and I'm gonna do the same thing I did last week and just cover up the habit tracker, and I'll just cut off the excess of everything. So that being said, I am excited about the launch. There's like so many cool things coming out from Moxie Life. Top 2 things I'm excited about. Their markers. They had custom markers done to match the colors. They also tweaked the colors slightly, but they have markers that are their very own. I am excited about those. And then I think I'm also excited about the folio that they have because it goes with the notebooks and it's the whole thing. I'm just like ready for it. I'm excited. All right, let's get the weekend sticker down. And do I want to put this behind something? I feel like we need some more of that green over here. So we'll do that. Save some space for the weather. And the weather has been absolutely gorgeous this week. All right, I need my cutter right here so I can just cut this off. And then we'll just put the weekend sticker right there. Yeah, this is giving very like that 70s show vibe, and I'm here for it. All right, so what do you want to do? Videos first. So Monday's video, I'm trying to find the stickers that I would like to use, which are probably these right here. Monday's video is going to be this Plan With Me. We'll just do ML Weekly Plan With Me. And then I'll still plan for Wednesday to be the 2023 Moxie Life stuff. And then Friday is going to be a Hobonichi Cousin Plan With Me. Probably a daily because that's already filmed. So yeah, that's probably what's gonna happen there. We will see. I actually have like some extra videos that I could put up, like if I get in a bind. But yeah, that's where I'm at with all of that. So there's Wednesday and then Friday's video. All right. Oh, that's so freaking pretty. Okay, next up, I think I kind of want to use these thinner washies to like cut off the bottom part right here, if that makes sense. I think I'm just totally saying that wrong, but I think that's where I'm going to put meals for this week. So I'm going to kind of like add another section. I have all this extra washi, I might as well use it. All right, let's go with, we'll do olive green because I'm loving it. Now I've got a designated space for meals, so that's gonna work out perfectly. And then since I'm not using any sort of decorative full boxes, I think I'm going to go ahead and add the check boxes all the way across. I have like a love-hate, not really a love-hate, but you know, a love, not so love relationship with these full boxes. Like sometimes I want them, but not all the time. I have to be in the mood for them. So this kit is just really what's making me like, yes, absolutely, use these boxes. And I'm going to kind of scatter them. I just have a thing about having them go straight across. It's not really my favorite, but you know, sometimes you got to make them go straight across, and this week I do not need to make them go straight across. So that's awesome. So yeah, I think I said the folio and the markers are what I was most excited about. And as far as covers go, Cindy's is definitely my favorite cover. And I think I'm going to use that as my flagship, so my main planner. I was kind of bummed to see that they're not doing the 6-month undated, but I get it. So yeah, it's gonna be okay. But also the coil looks smaller. That's why I can't wait for my package to get here, is because I'm like, is the coil smaller? I'm not 100% sure, but it looks amazing. All right, so got the boxes down. That looks so good. All right, I want to put down like the Good Morning Sunshine sticker, but also in the journaling kit, there's like a Good Morning Sunshine like that, if that's what you like. But I think I'm just gonna use the one in the kit because, I don't know, old habits die hard. So we'll put that on Tuesday. All right, there's that. All right, appointments and things like that. Monday, I have got and I think I just want to use this box right here. I've got a doctor's appointment, a little bit of a follow-up on all of my blood work, and that is on Monday afternoon. So I will be at work on Monday, but just have to leave a little bit earlier than normal to make it to this appointment. And then after that, we've got boot camp on Monday. Not gonna lie, this week's boot camp schedule went to the trash. We got 1 of 3 classes done so far this week, so unless I want to torture myself and do back-to-back like a Friday night workout and a Saturday morning workout, I don't know. Almost considering it just because I really, really want to get through this boot camp on the Peloton. We're halfway there. We're halfway there. But this week just kicked like both of our asses. Like there was at least 2 days this week where Jesse and I each had to work late, and that really interrupted the schedule there. All right, so then on Tuesday, don't have much going on there in the evening, but I do need to focus on editing. So let me find another sticker, focus on editing that evening, which I'm trying to get back on that schedule. Last week, again, one of my videos went up later because I just didn't get the editing done like I had hoped to. All right, and then Wednesday is our midweek laundry day, so I'm going to combine a few stickers here. I've got this Get It Done sticker from the journaling kit, a little laundry basket, and then what else can we pair with that? Not too much, right? Just use this quarter box here. Put that right about here because Wednesday is going to be a boot camp night as well. And then I'm going to use this appointment label for the boot camp. Thursday. We are finally to Thursday. So Thursday is, let's see what we've got going on there is payday. Let me find my little money sticker, which doesn't match, but we're going to be just fine. That's me convincing myself that we're going to be just fine. All right, so payday. All right, and then Thursday evening, I don't have much going on there yet, but I'm probably going to need to just go ahead and put down editing of content because, again, I have to get Friday's stuff up. So let's just use this box right here. Kind of will work. Maybe. Actually, let's do the smaller one like we did over here. Okay, there we go. And then on Friday, I actually have to go in because I have a couple of things going on. I have leadership training that I've organized through the local college for our management staff. So I kind of want to just, even though it's going to be kind of out of sync with everything else, I kind of want to move this down a smidge so that I can fit that right there. And I'm just going to use this half box right there because that's just too freaking cute. All right, there we go. And then Friday night should be Friday Night Live. I freaking love it. All right, so that's going to be at 7 o'clock. Couldn't exactly fit it, so we just had to get creative and just write Friday Night LV. You guys know what I mean. And then we're just going to put a little happy Steve. All right, there we go. Saturday and Sunday, don't have too much in the works just yet other than the usual groceries and like meal planning, stuff like that. So I am going to put that down for Saturday. Actually, I'm going to leave it because I'm probably going to be able to fit it in these checklists right here. So I don't want to like fill it with stuff when I don't really need to. But for the sidebar, it's always an interesting thing for me. So I think I'm going to use this full box. We'll go with that to cover up most of that. And then what else do we want to do? I think I'm going to use this brown half box here. I'm going to put something in there. I just don't know what just yet. So we're just going to stack a few things. And then let's use the This Week sticker right over here. I guess I'll put it way up here. It seems so high up there. And then I'm going to stack a couple of these checklists. These are so freaking cute. So freaking cute. I'm not really sure. I haven't checked to see if they actually line up with the Moxie Life, but I don't really care. They don't have to. Well, they should at least be straight. So there's that. Let's at least try to get them down straight, right? Okay, there's that one. I think we'll be able to fit like 3. 3 might do the trick. There we go. Maybe. Maybe. And I might have to overlap just a little bit, which I think will be fine. I actually think that's kind of cute. It looks like kind of like an ombre effect thing going on there. I am loving this. Trust me when I tell you I'm going to find a picture of those canisters from Tupperware and I'm going to pop it in right here because I know you guys will be like, okay, that's what she's talking about. All right, guys, that is it for this week's Plan With Me. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. Make sure that you check out Kristen's $2 Tuesdays. I am an affiliate of hers, so I do have a link down below in the description of this video if you want to go ahead and check it out. It is a great way to stock up on stickers at a very inexpensive price. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, make sure you click that notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.